Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the SSD has enough usable space, and then back up your current Windows system to an external drive. Once done, shut down and connect the SSD via SATA or a USB to SATA adapter. Launch the cloning utility and select the system disk as source and the SSD as target. Make sure to enable sector by sector or intelligent cloning per your tool. This preserves boot records and partitions. Start the clone and monitor for errors before proceeding. After cloning completes, you need to inspect partition layout on the SSD. Open Disk Management or the cloning tool and resize the Windows partition if the SSD is larger. This gives you usable extra space. Make sure partitions are aligned to 1 MB boundaries for optimal SSD throughput, and confirm partition style matches UEFI/GPT or convert if needed. Once alignment and sizes are correct, mark the Windows partition active if required. These steps ensure the SSD boots reliably and runs fast. Now power off and physically swap the drives or change the boot order so the SSD is the first boot device. Boot into UEFI and confirm the SSD appears. Set it at the top of the boot list and save changes. If Windows starts, uninstall old drive drivers and enable trim via command line. This preserves SSD lifespan. If boot fails, boot Windows Recovery and run automatic repair or use BCD boot to rebuild the boot files. One key tip: reconnect the old drive as secondary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.